everybody, welcome back to Outnumbered Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how I make pork ribs on the Workhorse Pits 1975T. I have here 2 racks of St. Louis cut pork spare ribs. I'll show you how I trim them, season them, and get them on the pit. Now one rack I'm going to cook normal. The second rack I'm going to put some extra sauce and get a sear on the Cowboy grill. First I'll remove this flat meat on the back. Now I like to leave the membrane on. You can take it off if you want, but I found it kind of helps hold in some of that moisture. Next we'll trim off some of this thin meat at the end, and we'll round off the corners. Now we'll just clean up the edges. And we'll do the second rack exactly the same as the first. These look good. Let's go ahead and get our rub together. I'll be using 2 parts 16 mesh black pepper to 1 part seasoning salt. I'm using Johnny's seasoned salt today. Just give that a mix when we're ready to season our ribs. To help the rub stick, I'm going to be using hot sauce today. Doesn't really give much of a hot sauce flavor. Helps a little bit with the color. Definitely helps that rub stick a little bit better. And now we'll just apply an even layer to both sides. These are looking good. Let's go get the smoker fired up. I'll be smoking these at 250 degrees for the first 3 hours. Here we are at 2 hours. Let's see how they're looking. Bark is looking good. Nice color. One more hour and they'll be ready to wrap. Here we are at 3 hours. We'll go ahead and take them off the pit, wrap in some aluminum foil and put them back on for 45 minutes. No, I'm not going to put any extra liquid inside the wrap. Once these are unwrapped, you'll see there's plenty of rendered fat and moisture inside. Back on the go for 45 minutes. Still keeping the temperature at 250 degrees. I'm going to put them more in the middle of the pit, a little bit hotter part of the pit. And here we are after 45 minutes. Let's open them up and see how they look. color still looks good, not washed away with any extra moisture. Plenty loose, they're definitely done. The next step is to apply the sauce. I'll be using a sweet sauce today from Stubbs Barbecue. We'll go ahead and brush this on. I'll get a thin coat on this rack. The other rack is the one that we're going to get the sear on with the Cowboy Grill. Now we'll leave these uncovered for 15 more minutes. And here we are after 15 minutes. This rack is definitely done. Now this rack will add a little more sauce and we'll get it over on that Cowboy Grill. Just a minute or two on each side. Get a little extra char. It's going to be great. Well, here's the finished product. This is the rack we did not sear. And this is the one you can see a little bit extra char on the top. Let's cut in and see how we did. Nice smoke ring on the top and bottom. Super juicy. Let's give it a taste. Yep, clean bite through, smoky, sweet with that sauce. That's a good rib. Now let's try these with the extra char from the Cowboy Grill. Still juicy. Yep, that's an excellent rib. Well, that's how I like to cook ribs on the Workhorse pit. 4 hours start to finish. Hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.